That was a 16-ounce box of elbows, 5 tablespoons of melted butter. The butter is gonna make this so nice and creamy, you guys. We have some sea salt. Just add in however much you want, because what we're adding later is going to make this pretty salty, you guys. So I would watch out, don't add too much salt. We got some freshly ground black pepper that I'm gonna do all over here. This is gonna be so easy and so simple, and the whole family is going to love this, you guys.
Ooh.
I swear. Garlic powder. I love garlic. You can never go wrong with garlic. It just adds the greatest little flavor to anything you add it to. You're gonna go ahead and stir, okay?
Oh. And you're just getting that seasoning all over those noodles?
Yes. I'm gonna lather these noodles all up with the butter, the salt and pepper, and the garlic powder.
Oh.
That is such a therapeutic sound.
Yes, I'm getting mesmerized.
All right, I think that is looking nice and mixed. Now we're gonna move this away. Just put it wherever you want. And we're bringing in our Velveeta. This is going to be the star of the show. Go ahead and cut it into thick slices like that.
Okay.
And this is gonna make it so cheesy, you guys. Like, this is gonna be so cheesy that I'm just gonna lose my mind when I taste this.
Wait, is this mac and cheese?
Yes, it's mac and cheese. How did you know?
Ooh, cheese and macaroni, I'm in. Oh.
Yeah, everybody is gonna be in when they taste this. This is just such a great, easy recipe you can whip up for your kids, for your family, for your friends, for church. Bring this to a potluck. Bring it anywhere, you guys. It's amazing, I swear.
I love it. I'm so excited to try this.
I know, me too. All right, that was a little hard because my cheese is soft, but let's go ahead and bring this back in. Thank you. And put your cheese just like this.
Oh.
Right on top of all your pasta. Try to fit all your little cheeses in. It might be hard to fit all of them in, but we're gonna find a way because we want this to be really cheesy.
Yes. What's mac and cheese without the cheese?
Exactly, it's just mac. We can't have that. And then we have whole milk, okay? This is a 32-ounce, 1-quart container of milk, and we're gonna add the whole thing in here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that milk just coating that Velveeta, coating that pasta. Okay, I think that's good. We're actually not gonna use the whole thing of milk.
Okay.
Because it looks pretty coated and good to me. So super simple, we're all done. We're gonna put this in the oven at 325 for 45 minutes. We're gonna take it out, stir it all up, and put it back in for another 30.
Quick! Yay!
All right, guys, we are gonna take this out and mix it all together and then put it back in for another 30 minutes. Take that oven lid off.
Oh.
Look at that Velveeta starting to melt together with that milk.
Yum.
Go ahead and pop this back in the oven and we'll be right back.
All right, let's do it.
Ooh, look at how that cheese browned up and everything. That is just looking delicious. Let's try a piece.
Oh,
Whoa.
this is gonna be good.
Let's slide that. Ooh, yes.
Oh, so cheesy.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. That is looking so good. I'm so excited to try this. Let's dig in.
Eat it. Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
So good, you guys.
Yum.
You need to try this.